Welcome to Venu Maths Academy. In this video series, discuss about objective type questions in direction cosines and direction ratios, question models level 1 pattern type. Here question number 17. Capital A equal to x1 comma y1 comma z1 and b equal to x2 comma y2 comma z2 are 2 points if L comma M comma N are the DCs of CD and L into x2 minus x1 plus M into y2 minus y1 plus N into z2 minus z1 equal to 0. Then the cosine of the angle between the line AB and CD is. Here 4 options are given. Here the line segment endpoints are given. Capital A is equal to x1 comma y1 comma z1, b equal to x2 comma y2 comma z2. Here the direction ratios of AB is x2 minus x1 comma y2 minus y1 comma z2 minus z1. The DCs of CD is given in problem L comma M comma N. Here one concept. This is the line AB, this is the line CD. Here the projection of AB line, the projection of line, this is perpendicular to CD and this is also the other end point B. The projected line is perpendicular to CD 90 degree. This is the MN. MN to draw a one line PQ. Here MN is equal to PQ. MN is equal to PQ is the projection of AB on CD. The formula is the distance of MN is equal to projection of AB on CD. This is the formula modulus of L into x2 minus x1 plus M into y2 minus y1 plus N into z2 minus z1. Here the angle between AB angle BA, this is the point A, this is the point Q. The angle between BAQ is theta. Then cos theta is equal to, it is equal to L into x2 minus x1 plus M into y2 minus y1 plus N into z2 minus z1. Here one formula is given L into x2 minus x1 plus M into y2 minus y1 plus N into z2 minus z1 is equal to 0. This is the projection of AB on CD, this formula is. Then cosine of the angle between AB and CD. Then the entire value, this value L into x2 minus x1 plus M into y2 minus y1 plus N into z2 minus z1 is equal to cos theta. Cos theta equal to 0. The cosine of the angle between the line AB and CD. This is the cosine of the angle. Cos theta equal to 0. Answer third option. Question number 18. Model of questions of projections. If the projection of the line segment PQ on the axis are 3, 4, 12, then the length of PQ. Here 4 options are given. If the line segment AB is one concept, AB is the line segment. The AB line segment projection on x-axis, it is represented by small p. The line segment AB projection on y-axis represented by small q. The line segment AB projection on z-axis represented by r. Then the relation is AB square is equal to p square plus q square plus r square. Here given the PQ line on axis, here this value is equal to p equal to 3, q is equal to 4, r is equal to 12. Then delta PQ, the relation between the line segment and the axis, PQ square is equal to P square plus Q square plus R square. Here P 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 12 square 144. 9 plus 16 25. 25 plus 144 169. PQ is equal to root 169. It is equal to 13. This is second option is the correct. Question number 19. If capital A equal to 3 comma 1 comma minus 2, B equal to minus 1 comma 0 comma 1 and L comma M are the projections of AB on the y-axis comma z plane respectively, then 3L square minus M plus 1 equal to, these are the four options. Here given capital A is equal to 3 comma 1 comma minus 2 x1 y1 z1. Here B equal to minus 1 comma 0 comma 1 x2 y2 z2. Here projection of AB on y-axis, it is L. This is equal to L. L is equal to projection of AB on y-axis. This is the formula mod y1 minus y2 or mod y2 minus y1. y1 minus y2, 1 minus 0. 1 minus 0, this is 1. M equal to projection of AB on ZX plane. M equal to projection of AB on ZX plane. ZX plane, square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus z1 minus z2 whole square. Apply the values. X1 minus x2 whole square. X1 3, x2 minus 1. Minus of minus 1 plus 1. 3 plus 1 4. 4 square 16 plus z1 minus 2. z2 1. Minus 2 minus 1. Minus 3 whole square 9. 16 plus 9 root 25. Root 25 equal to 5. M equal to 5. Here one relation is given to find the value of 3L square minus M plus 1. L value is 1. 3 into 1 square 3. M value is 5 plus 1. 3 plus 1 4. Minus 5 plus 4 minus 1. Minus 1 is the correct answer, is the first option. Question number 20. The area of the triangle found by the points 2 comma 3 comma 5 minus 1 comma 3 comma 2 and 3 comma 5 comma minus 2 is, here the four options are given. If to find the areas in three-dimensional coordinates, these are converted into vector forms. Here let A equal to 2 comma 3 comma 5. The position vector OA bar equal to 2I bar plus 3J bar plus 5K bar. Convert into vector form. B equal to minus 1 comma 3 comma 2. Here OB bar equal to minus I bar plus 3J bar plus 2K bar. C equal to 3 comma 5 comma minus 2. OC bar equal to 3I bar plus 5J bar minus 2K bar. Here to find the area of triangle ABC. This is the area of triangle ABC. The formula is area is equal to half mod AB bar cross AC bar. First to find AB bar. AB bar OB bar minus OA bar minus I bar minus 2I bar minus 3I bar. Here OB bar 3J bar plus 3J bar minus 3J bar get cancelled. Next plus 2K bar minus 5K bar minus 3K bar. Next to find AC bar OC bar minus OA bar. Here 3i minus 2i, I bar. 5j minus 3j, 2j bar. Minus 2k minus 5k, minus 7k bar. To find AB bar cross AC bar. AB bar cross AC bar. Determined form: I bar, J bar, K bar. Minus 3, 0, minus 3, 1, 2, minus 7. To apply det, AB bar cross AC bar is equal to I bar into 0 into minus 7, 0. 2 into minus 3, minus 6 plus 6, minus J bar into minus 7 into minus 3, 21, minus minus plus 1 into minus 3, 1 into minus 3, minus 3 here plus 3, plus K bar into minus 3 into 2, minus 6, 1 into 0, 0, minus 6, minus 0. 6i bar, 21 plus 3, 24, minus 24 J bar, minus 6 minus 0, minus 6k bar. Here 6 is common. I bar minus 4j minus k bar. To find mod AB bar cross AC bar, 6 modulus of I minus 4j minus k bar, 6 into square root of 1 plus minus 4 whole square 16 minus 1 whole square 1. 1 plus 16 plus 1, 16, 17, 18. 6 root 18, 6 root 18, 18, 9 into 2, square root of 9, 3. 6 into 3, 18 root 2. This value equal to 18 root 2. To find area, area is equal to half mod AB bar cross AC bar, that equal to half into 18 root 2. 2 ones, 2 nines. 9 root 2 is the answer. The 9 root 2 is the answer. Fourth option is correct. Next, level 2 type questions. Question models DCs and DRs of lines. Question number 1. A line makes angles alpha, comma, beta, comma, gamma with the coordinate axis. If alpha plus beta equal to pi by 2, then cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma whole square is equal to. Here the 4 options are given. In a problem, alpha, beta, gamma angles makes with the coordinate axis. Here one condition is given: alpha plus beta is equal to pi by 2, beta is equal to pi by 2 minus alpha. Here one relation is given: if alpha comma beta comma gamma are the angles with coordinate axis, cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. Here beta is equal to pi by 2 minus alpha. Cos square alpha plus cos square pi by 2 minus alpha plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. Cos square alpha 90 cos 90 minus alpha sin alpha, sin square alpha plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. Cos square alpha plus sin square alpha 1. 1 plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. Here 1 1 get cancelled. Cos square gamma is equal to 0. Then gamma is equal to 90 degree. A gamma equal to 90 degree. Next, to find the relation cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma whole square. Cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma whole square. Here cos square gamma 90 degree, cos gamma cos 90 degree, gamma is 90 degree, the value is 0, this value is 0, cos alpha plus cos beta whole square, cos alpha plus cos beta whole square, expansion cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus 2 cos alpha cos beta. Here cos square alpha beta 90 minus cos square alpha cos beta, cos square beta pi by 2 minus alpha 2 cos alpha cos pi by 2 minus alpha, cos 90 minus alpha sin alpha, cos square alpha plus sin square alpha, 2 cos alpha, cos 90 minus alpha sin alpha, cos square alpha plus sin square alpha identity is 1 plus trigonometry on formula 2 sin a cos a sin 2a, 2 sin alpha cos alpha sin 2 alpha, 1 plus sin 2 alpha, the first option. Question number 2, a line OP where O equal to 0 comma 0 comma 0 makes equal angles with OX, OY, OZ. The point on OP which is at a distance of 6 units from O is, here the 4 options are given. Here O is the origin, O equal to 0 comma 0 comma 0. In this case the distance OP is equal to 6 units given in problem. Here the OP makes equal angles with coordinate axis. OP makes equal angles with OX, OY and OZ. Then the DCs of OP is equal to 1 by root 3 comma 1 by root 3 comma 1 by root 3. Already you know that if alpha comma beta comma gamma are equal, then the DCs of OP 1 by root 3 comma 1 by root 3 comma 1 by root 3 L M N. OP is equal to 6 units, that is equal to R. It is equal to R. To find the coordinates of P, here to find the coordinates of P. P equal to LR comma MR comma NR. Here L equal to 1 by root 3, R equal to 6 units, M equal to 1 by root 3, R equal to 6 units, N equal to 1 by root 3, R is equal to 6 units. 6, 2 into 3 by root 3, comma, 2 into 3 by root 3, comma, 2 into 3 by root 3. Here root 3 get cancelled. The coordinates 2 root 3 comma 2 root 3 comma 2 root 3. Third option is correct. Question number 3. The DRs of the line x equal to ay plus b, comma, z is equal to cy plus d are. Here the 4 options are given. To find the DRs of the two lines, x equal to ay plus b, x minus b is equal to ay, x minus b by a is equal to y. This is the equation 1. Next, z equal to cy plus d. Here in this case, z minus d is equal to cy. z minus d by c is equal to y. From 1 and 2, 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, x minus b by a is equal to y is equal to z minus d by c. x minus b by a y by 1 is equal to z minus d by c. One formula is there. This is in 3D lines. X minus x1 by a is equal to y minus y1 by b is equal to z minus z1 by c. Here a comma b comma c are the DRs. Here the DRs of line a comma 1 comma c. A comma 1 comma c. This is the second option is correct. Question number 4. If x comma 3 comma 5 and 2 comma minus 1 comma 2 are DRs of two lines and angle between the lines is 45 degree, then the values of x are, here the 4 options are given. This is the DRs of line 1 x comma 3 comma 5. A1, B1, C1, DRs of line 2, 2 comma minus 1 comma 2, A2, B2, C2. Angle between two lines theta is given 45 degree. Here one relation is there, cos theta equal to mod a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 by root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. Here theta equal to 45 degree, cos 45 degree is equal to mod a1 a2 x into 2 2x modulus of 2x b1 b2 3 into minus 1 minus 3 5 into 2 5 into 2 10 plus 10 root of a1 square x square plus b1 square 3 square 9 5 square 25 plus into square root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square 4 plus 1 plus 4. Cos 45 degree value is 1 by root 2 minus 3 plus 10 7 modulus of 2x plus 7 by square root of x square 9 plus 25 34 4 plus 4 8 plus 1 9. Here cross multiply root 9 into root of x square plus 34. This entire term multiply with 1 and root 2 into modulus of 2x plus 7. Squaring on both sides. Here root 9 whole square 9. X square root is get cancelled, x square plus 34, 9 into x square, 9x square, 34 into 9, 34 into 9, 9 fours, 36, 9 3, 27, 27, 3, 33 not 6 is equal to root 2 whole square, 2x plus 7, a plus b whole square formula, 4x square, 7 square, 49, 2ab, 2 to 4, 4 sevens, 28, 28x, 9x square plus 306, 2 fours, 8x square, 2 49s, 98, 228, 56x. 9x square minus 8x square. X square plus 56x, then minus 56x. 306 minus 98. 306 minus 98. 8, 0, 208 plus 208 equal to 0. Here the factors, 208 factors, 208 factors, 52 fours, 208. X square minus 52x minus 4x plus 208 equal to 0. Here x is the common. X minus 52 minus 4 is the common. X minus 52 equal to 0. Then the factors, x minus 52 into x minus 52 is the common. X minus 4 equal to 0. X is equal to 52. X is equal to 4. The answer is x equal to 4, x equal to 52. That the third option is the correct. Question number 5. If the DRs of two lines are given by 3lm minus 4ln plus mn equal to 0 and L plus 2m plus 3n equal to 0, then the angle between the lines. Here the four options are given. To observe that in this option pi by 2 angle is given. Here one condition, the relation of the DCs and DRs of lines, AL plus BM plus CN equal to 0 is one line, and second line FMN plus GNL plus HLM equal to 0. The lines perpendicular, that means angle is 90 degree. The condition F by A plus G by B plus H by C equal to 0. Here two lines L plus 2M plus 3N equal to 0. This is equation 1. Compare with AL plus BM plus CN equal to 0. Here A equal to 1, B equal to 2, C equal to 3. Next line is given 3LM minus 4LN plus MN equal to 0. Here first MN plus MN minus 4LN plus 3LM equal to 0. This is equation 2. Compare with FMN plus GNL plus HLM is equal to 0. Here the MN coefficient is F equal to 1. LN coefficient is G is equal to minus 4. Next LM coefficient is H equal to 3. Then apply the formula F by A plus G by B plus H by C. If the value is 0, then the angle is 90. F by A, F1, 1 by 1 plus G by B, G is minus 4, B equal to 2, minus 4 by 2, H by C, H value is 3, C value is 3. 3 ones are 3, 3, 2, 2. Get cancelled. 1 plus into minus, minus 2 plus 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Then the value F by A plus G by B plus H by C equal to 0. Then the angle theta equal to pi by 2. This is the first option is correct. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Next video discuss about level 2 models and level 3 models also. If you have any doubt, drop them in the comment section.